there was a time period where I thought that the interview was going to be quite close to where, the closing date of the application. So I went with a different coach, and I did feel prepared for the substantive interview that I went in for. And I think on the day and the lead up to it, anxiety just got the better of me, and I just didn't showcase my experience. I didn't showcase my USPs and examples, and unfortunately didn't get the job, which was pretty devastating for me, because I'd been in the locum for quite a long time, and I knew it was a level playing field. I didn't quite realize how difficult a substantive interview was going to be. My mindset going was very different. I knew exactly what I had to say. I kind of knew that the first opening question was going to be, tell me about yourself, in this current interview, which it wasn't in my last one. And that really helped set the scene for the whole interview. And there were some questions that I was a bit taken aback for, but I took a deep breath, and I had a notepad in front of me, and I just kind of took that pause and just wrote a couple of things before answering. And I made sure that my answers were just much more succinct. And in some of them, I prepared them in the academy. And I think what I really found helpful in the academy was the live sessions were really good. I always put myself forward for the live coaching, even though I felt very anxious about it. And I also connected with a few people that, and we did practice sessions together, and we helped each other along. And that I found really helpful. And it's people that I would have met otherwise. I think what the academy helped me with, which I think the one-to-one coach before didn't, was really recognizing me and what I'm going to bring to the role and how to bring that out in an interview. I remember you saying, at the very beginning, so you all have 5 USPs, and it's sometimes hard to know what those are. And I think for anyone out there, we are our own biggest critics. And actually, what I learned from the second interview was that I have to be myself. You can't pretend to be someone you're not. Part of me wishes I would have done it sooner. I think it's been really good for me in terms of my confidence. It does depend on the sort of person you are, but I think for me, I think the first time round it was writing all these notes and trying to remember things, but actually that's not what interview prep is about. It's really just about knowing yourself, knowing your USPs, continuously going over them and kind of just honing in on what do you want to sell at the interview. Then I say, if you're looking for coaching and if you want to connect with other people, then I think this is a great forum in which to do it, and really supportive.